Guru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Sunday Brian erizoba n'urwa katano kandi biro na 28 byo kwa 8 2026 ishahane ibiri hezo mwebazyo reka tumaze tukusiye bijamto gw'amakuru kandi kuturagarutse tuja kwisyaho amakuru Agacencwire ombwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinairo
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omukama bwatoro bwashoze bine kukuratirwa ombwire bwo kutuza ko mukama oyo
kandi twija kulinda ebiro mwenda.
Abanyishenjero bagamba hakutuza ko mukama oyo kabambi guru kiti owakana
watulize nitsasa muno nk'abantu batoro
Nebetombwitira kampuni rukubarura amabare omu district ya Bulisa.
emitwe y'amakuru yaba ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints
mutia
kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinairo
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brian agana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire abantu mbukama bwatoro bayishira hatikari karuzika kwehurira nagabo ahakutuza ko mukama wabo oyo nyimba kabambi guru kidi owakana.
Aitwaza kuchira chikari twashanga abantu batanchiye kwerunda nagetse chikari kwerebera nagabo yaba namazimo mukama rugiro magara genseji
Kinamire cyamani ndahairembo lya karuzika narugamuka na marakura makuru amabi muno agwa kutuza kwa mukama waitu bigambo byobusasi enkuba tore tutire omukama wakaira cyali muto omukama wabaire nebitekereze bye kito ensinganto entale humwire
tubere twatunga omukama wakusinga yobuto omunsi yona akusinga kusemera wanya kujwambwire na kwatagana na abasigazi nyakyetu talents za tora abera amazirira kuzikwata kuziteka ho mukono abana batora batangiye kwemerera nabo na mbere tube twaheka kumwegondezamu aho mukama yatuza runikyo mukama ruhanga yamweta kandi ni ngonzi tuwe na tugume nkabatoro tugume nkabanywane batoro tugume nkihanga lya Uganda ngwe kizire galemanano nuko kizire kiti baitukane tuongere kusabiri ihanga lyetu toro ruhanga kulitekaho bumanzi nyino mukama muteke mu bumanzi
area UPDF byo korinda babitire mamani obwa bakurumbuka mu kucirana na mnonga bo rwo rurangira barubonka abantu bikirizibwa kutaho mu kikari
toro igoro libundaire kandi toro amata datikire toro kira basaido mukama Dr. Oyo nyimba kabamba iguru kidio wakana omukama wa toro ahiro mukono mu ngabo kandi mbe turukubaliza toro tubule businge kandi toro mahana tuli mu cyobobo okutaga kagahura gaisana ngokusandara falita kumanya ngo ngatuchiyaho nambera tuli baitu tuguma nkabatoro tuguma nkabanyorobo mukama tuguma nkamagatwa tuguma nkenganda za toro abokuba ikirukukiro bukuru tuhulire kandi ntukiriza hati amakuru agaruka aganya kuraga broho ngo mukama woyito atusigire omugwetu wawe
Embera heru no munda y'ikikari yaberye nakobwo bingi barebwa behambera amatama kandi abandi bari kucura
ukira abasaidu mukama obwatulize twine kuguma asigireho omugwetwa eke nikitugumya kandi abantu tubasaba bugume haija kubaha kasumi ako kutekaniza emerwa nemtwaliza yaitu
Ashayitanu zakasheshe obukama burukurabiro musuga bwarangiro mbutongoro kutwarwa ko mukama akikarukarizika obukama bwatebekanisa n'urukiko rwo kutebekanisa emikoro
Ntyo mukama watoro
obwo amaziga gari kumuragara Charles Kamurasi yamanyise obukama kurukira abasayija feriro mu ihanga rya America
mukama tulize kaha omukama tulize umusi ya America kandi omukama akasasa kibere kyo kusasa mwono abantu batamanyi kandi abantu bakamanyisibwa ngo mukama nasoma kandi kuno akabata kusoma mukama akabasasire
nabwanyuma abajaguzi bazamanya guru kumanya nkakaswa kurangira agutamba gwejejire
arajumikirwe amatagatikire
iguru libuze
ababito iguru lyabonda ogende kitabaro
Kamurasi yashaba abantu oguma nomwe omukira kari kucira yo guma nkaka
andi omukasumi niko kamwe ningoza kumanyisa mukuru wihanga officiale okutuza kwa mukama watoro ebi mubaira ni muhura turugoza kumirangana
oguhona yajango bukama nubuza kumarebero mwenda bari kwinamira mu kutagwa mukama okusyobara mushendekereze
Isakiesieno kandi twija kulinda ebiro mwenda kwikiza kimwe turatabaza umukama kimanyire kiroki baitu twija kuba tuli hanu ebiro mwenda ntukorentekaniza ko turasendekereza umukama wetu
amakuru agasha kwa Jonathan Singwire
webere Jonathan Singwire biton tushasha n'obukama bwatoro na Uganda nkihanga ariona obukama bwatoro bwashohoza ebyine kuratirwa ombwire bwo kutuza ko mukama oyo rukidi wakana bemwe ahabitine korwa no kweshongoreche shongoro cyo bukama okwisyobu aboruganda rw'ababito bararangire omukama ondijo omushachi wetu aine birukira
umukama kaboyo umukama akahereza kurungu muno esienu yona yamuramyaga bamugonzaga muno kandi na government kagonza muno umukama kaboyo abokuba akabali one of the most modern kings in Uganda kandi akabanganjani muno His Excellency President
garagara bikiye kubanirwaho okubanze ikizina cyobukama kwa toro kirukwiza kubanika izina amikoro yona ikizina cyobukama tikirukwiza okuzinwa okwikaba bito baratorangera ike kirukurataho no harukwiza kujumura butwarane kandi ikire cyari jumura mu ngoma icyo kiro ekizina kiriyongera kizinirwemo
tumanye ngu government ili nyuma yetu. So ningoza kusima okusima kono kwa hasi gavumenti ya Uganda hasi y'obwebembezi wa His Excellency the President kuba omunywani omurungi kuba omujwara kondo omurungi kuba omukozi omurungi.
Umjenzi oyo mukama muhumuzeje abaturo ku rw'umwisha zahiri ya Chaka erukora district ya Chegegwa bayoreko kushasha ahabo mukama wa toro ku rw'Agacencwire bagamba hebaru kumwishkaho nebyo ekwasire aha mukama ku rw'Agacencwire.
Omurtoro omukama yafa ninga karugom Agacencwire ne bacheto kutuza nkokwa bebyo buhangwa barukushobora
omukama bwatuza aiha umukono mungabo kutuza nukukufu omukama tafwa atuza kuiha umukono mungabo nikimanyisa obwire bubona bwabo ali umukama ali mu bukamabu abaino engabu eyarkurwanira abantu hati umukono agwihira mungabo rundi azahiri ebi nibyo bigambo tukira muno kweyambisa
turukugamba honalo kubasariza omujwekerwa w'abashija omurukiko rukuru orw'obukama nagira ngo mukama yatuza hinebero kukorwa
abagande kibeta kukungubaga abantu abandi itu abaturu kugaragara tukora tubantu tugaragara umukama omusaijo mukayi icumu akwata ekyogi kicumu akisimba hansi omuhunda nugo gujya haiguru icyumanyisa ngo obukama bwijumukire obaba harimo engoma nyineka abayine engoma omunju nawe yagijumika abukuba hati nakaruzika engoma y'omukama eyebaire negambe ya mujaguzo naye bagijumikire
basariza yayongera yatushobora ahabikwatirine nebirukubaho omukama yatuza
omuguta nubwo mutumbi gwo mukama iyo muntu wabulikiro niwe ino mutumbi cyonko mukama guba muguta nakyo kina cyarugirire habukuba enimi enkote yo mukama eyaba bikiri niyo bayita obo bagita omuguta gwaye kisatu kyaye nikyo bateka muga umutumbi gwo mukama nikyo bagwetira omuguta okwika omuguta ogwo gwayomaga gwomerwa mu mutumbi gwo mukama nkati ngo kutugamba batoyire omutumbi kugusemeza niho gwikaraga okuhika obagutwaraga kugutabaza bamazire kuzoro mu bito owaragenda kutira engoma yaisi
abatura nabibyo buhangwa bayoreko kushasha kwinji kandi bagamba ebarukwijuka aha mukama wa toro
ito turambutukoge kintu kimu ngaito ensinganda ekyo kubanza mbiye mizano ito nkabaseno abayirale muhagizi waseno muno ngeri mukatuhura hajito nkabaseno tuyino busasi wingi muno nebiye mizano byabayire nasagika muno nko mutoro kingdom
omukama benagonze byemzano naito tuli bantu bagonze byemzano bya loko ne bya heru yihanga abayire muntu atakurumbagana na government ebitwe mukwasireho abere nakora mulimo kusasira abantu batoro
nuwo mukama ayagira mukama ali muto myaka ye eyobuto akaba ine myaka 3 bamteka kitebe cyayise olimi kaboyo obuyehira umukono mu ngabo nawe nabweki abira ali mukama omuto ngo kunsangiro kigambire umubakama bona bari hano mu Afrika hino munsi yona
ebisemeri kutakora mbwira bunu obwa kumwe kwa mukama ito mukama toro amaze kuyo mukono mu ngabo icyo kubanza ikizina cyo mukama kikwikizo kuzina abuko mukama akozereki ahira mukono mu ngabo icya kabiri nicyo ecyo guruka makondere atyo twina bagenzi baitu abakoni baswera bagenzi babo kilo cya nyencha ikizina cyo mukama kikuja kuzinwa kandi guruka makonde tusoga guruka abuko mukama ahira mukono omungabo
ishaza rya chaka ninga chegegwa omubukama bwa toro neramanywa nk'irembo ry'omukama ahabwo kugira ngo neryatana n'obukama bwa Buganda omuganda abanyishengero bayoreka okushasha n'okutuuza kw'omukama wa toro oyo nyimba kabambi iguru rukidu wa kana kandi bamugambaho nk'omukama obiire arikugwita abantu n'obukama obundi obw'ensikirano
nitumwijukaho kuba ngo abaire narwanirira muno kukwataniza n'okukurakuraniza ekicweka kyaitu ekya Toro abaire muntu engonzi y'abantu owakutangirira kandi akalinda buli omu
nyowe kali mkagama nkatom bright amoti mferirwa munywani mferirwa muntu yezire raro muko wange omukama akaija yangamba nyenda ku ekisembo obuyagambe kumpa ekisembo natekereza najja kumpa kisembo ki omukama akandaganiza kumpa ekisembo kiyampaire akaija raro makagange kyegego kubanga abadde amaze akaseera nga mugonvu mu kiseera mwe yandibadde anyumirira obukulembeze ate n'okulaba nti abantu be nabo banyumirwa obukulembeze bwe ate omukama wa mutwalidde twagala kumusabira mukama amusaasire ebyamusobako
era ne tuwayo akadde okujjukira obulamu bwe n'okusaasira abantu b'ettoro kulwa komiti ya Kosase ne kulwa paramenti ya Uganda.
Abandi bamugambaho nkobire nakonde byentunguka ebirimo obuhingi n'obuliisa ebyoburambuzi n'ebindi bingi.
Nywe n'abatoro kingdom mugume Ruhanga atwaire byaye kandi Ruhanga ayongere kubagumya kitwine kyogamba baitu twemerera hamu nainywe omukusasa kunu
abaire engabo y'amaani abaire ekimu ly'amaani kandi abaire omuhendo muno omubukama bwa muno obukama obwa Toro
naye nga eggwanga ndooza twetaagamu ekintu ekyokutunuulira ku kya kansa omukama afudde kansa naye ekintu kya early detection bagamba nti kansa bamukwata nga tannagenda mu stage zino ey'okubiri n'ey'okusatu waliwo possibility y'omuntu okuwona.
Aba bahumuriza obukama bwa Toro n'okubatengera obusinge.
Nyenda kushashana Queen mama wa King oyo ngo humure abazire tuyino busasi nenaku ntumuriza ihanga.
King oyo buli muntu yenna abadde amwagala ate buli muntu anyoloddwa nnyo okubanga mukama amujjuludde. Njagala kusaba mukama Katonda yonna gyagenze abeerenga amulamuza kisa.
Gasha kwa Filipo Murangira na Jeme Muhomuza ahabwa Agacencwire.
Mwebare abashatsi beitu bamakuru obukama bwa bunyoro kitara bwayegita ha bukama obundi nihango okutwariza hamwe okutonzya aha kutuza kobira lyo mukama wa Toro rukira baseija oyo nyimba rukidi owakana.
Obutumwa bw'okutonzya obwamushomerwa omushyikirwa w'obukama Andrew Kirungi byakutaga omukama wa bunyoro kitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa iguru okubanza yayoreka okuganya kw'amaani okuruha omu bukama bwa Toro na bunyoro abo kutuuza kw'omukama oyo owajumwire ngo mwazabishe nkura ha myaka 3 y'obuto kandi owafeera ha myaka 34.
Ukama wa bunyoro kitara na Toro tutongere kichwanki nekya hamu abokuba embigire okama bwaitu obuhangiranwa olulimi n'emirwa biribimu obwe ngoma y'Toro ejumikire okuganya kulikire hona rukira basajja omukama oyo nyimba kabamba iguru rukido wakana abaire mukama wembaganiza akajumura engoma y'abayisenkuru na kyali muto kandi yeyebembera okukama bwa Toro n'okugonza etandika enteekaniza ez'okukurakuraniza emyenda ya Toro kuraba mu by'emizaano eby'obulimi ebyobuhangwa kandi akagondesa abantu obuhangirano n'obukama bwabo bwa Toro.
Byakutagaho nashoborera ngu obukama bwa Toro hamwe na bunyoro buyina akakwate k'amaani abw'emigenzo. Omulingo nugwo gumwe mukuru w'oruganda rw'ababito mu bukama bwa bunyoro okwir Fred Mugenyi yashasha n'ababita bari mu bukama bwa Toro abo kurugwamu omukama
namuno tusabira obukama bwa Toro nti mukasome kano bacurane kandi batakolesa emotions bakolese amagezi barolenti unity yabo isigayeho kurungi aba bitu batoro mucurane tuturoho tujya kwijja tubina inywe.
Crispus Kahero wa Uganda Human Rights Commission nawe yarga yayereko kushasha kwa mani no kutuza kwa mukama oyo.
He was an inspiration to many young leaders in Toro, in Uganda, and world over. He was a torchbearer. So in this difficult moment, we stand with the people of Toro, with the royal family, but also with all the people of Uganda and the rest of the world that are mourning the passing of this young monarch.
Kuyashasha na nyina wo mukama abwakagwa kamugwerire nuko kushaba ruhanga okuhereza obukama bwa Toro amani go kurabo muri eke kibabireho.
Nti mu kiseera kino ekizibu tuli nammwe era tubasabira okuyita mu kaseera kano bulungi era Katonda abawa amaanyi musobole okuyita mu kiseera kino era tukiveemu nga tuli bavumu fenna.
Omukama oyo nyimba rukidi owakana ahamibwe kwarijiro mu magara genseji omukirosha ina kanda ferira myaka 34 y'obukuru amakuraga gasha kwa Ambrose nuwaga bakatoto.
Reka tumireho ntugarukana ganda makuru hotarga TV West. Agarukurataho amahiga Uganda na Rwanda gatandika empanura zebyo kwerinda zo murundo rwa munana.
Serving communities along our common border.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokweme kabyonjera koroba kankwa njulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byokweme cyesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otembwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy babo zaborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakozesa tekinoloji erispiria eco nabyombekesi cyangare nkabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga Ankole Craze Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremo. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yonka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kahoko mukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya mino eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel erestora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecanyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko bya mashamera nogwa mutindo rosfo isi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchagare nebire byombisho rose form isi yokushemera kwanje
rose form isi yebiroto birungi.
otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushoma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija uyetunjira obukugu okwandika beje basya kure ni kugenda omumisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Nye bitiko bienda
Penkoni
yakwera otamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumurira kushemererwa ohuriro bunuzi nanobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
rigenda yakintu cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni nekwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunge icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
omweshongozi wawe ririye nabasuba kweshongorire yawe nojine ruhanga yakukunda ndakukunda isyata yachitaguru yachituletera Kampala omuri Serena Hotel ebiro 10 tubikomana n'umwako kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngushigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro leta VIP mitwaro 20 tebos a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nita neza bamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Recipes JBL kumanya bukitiraho erazura mushanju 8 50 50 nkaga nina amabasha kanje
Kuruka omukahumuro abebembezi ba district ya Mbarara ya Kiruhura nibashaba aba ministry ya mizi n'obuhangwa okubahereza mizi go kukoresa mu makagabo kuruga hadamu ya Chenshama okushaboku bakuhayo obaba nabarambura project ya mizi gamatungo no kwitirira ekozirwe ahadamu ya Chenshama.
Okurambura project ya miziga matungo nago kwitera yakozirwa hadamu ya Chenshama kwa ibemberwa ministry ya mizi n'obuhangwa aba bakwatanise n'abembezi ba district ya Mbarara hamwe ne ya Kiruhura hamwe n'abatura barakuganyirwa mu mizaga.
We were also to do a pumping system, installation of solar panels. They are here. We are made to do a transmission main and distribution mains. Those are pipes. This water to go to the reservoir and then it flow back to the points of use. We shall see that. This main activity was for livestock watering. So we have livestock watering troughs. We have them down there on either side, Chibula and then the other side. And then we are supposed to construct the attendance house.
Engineer Henry Kizito uriyo muhezi wa commission okurugo ministry ya mizi n'obuhangwa kandi wabakuriro kurambura oku yagirango bitakaterire contractor naija kubiterezo mukire kache dero bakwasa batura project kandi ngo bamareki nibije kugumiza muno kuhereza batura miza gukoreso mu makagabo.
As a ministry, we also observe that the community of Chenshama doesn't have a reliable domestic water supply system, and when we were designing this dam, we added that storage as part of the reason. We have that water there, but we cannot convey that water to the communities without treatment. So our next phase of the project outside this contract is to supply water for domestic, but we shall pick that water from the reservoir because it's already there, taken care of, treat it before we can convey it to the communities.
Abatura n'abembezi bashemerwa project eji kunga bashaba ministry kurasyo mu ntebe kanisize kubahereza mizi marungi agokoreso mu makagabo ahakwa baruhiro koresa mizi gamwe hamwe nente
ani ndeba ngo miza gakuga kwa gahwire
ngiza kuyamba munonga abantu bakeshama community ya neighboring Kibura district nambara district kandi kusoka mwanya twagamba n'aba ministry twareba ngo ubuntu bucyo uri kuburamo babukore babutereze yaramizaga gizega gabasi
ngwame izaga imbuyo bwagaba bakabura umugasho tubanze tugahereza abantu abagizire bata taro umuntu okutura n'enyanja kanabaki icyo munyine so ntwenda kumanya capacity neha nebasa kusavinga abantu bakwingana ki abantu banyabisirira batungira amezi ninga abantu bakensha amazona zitungire ki amezi
engineer yatugambira you expedite the process so this third phase can take place amizi bagatwitinge kiriye cyo kwandika ngo ndabimusangureho kwandika ikintu cyo kugira ngo amizi abantu bazaje kwezi area yegera water space kandi kirekitara cy'amizaga gakwingana y'abantu bakanywa ko kabagakinde kanya no mucyandikireho abantu amizaga nibagatekesha no mucyandika
okurigera ha ministry y'amizi no bahangwa project ejekatandika hari cyubanze cyo kwezi kwa kabiri umwaka 2022 ekabera mu kuhangusya damu okombeka hamizi garukushohora gaheza kurenga okutaho zasora na za pump bakanyura amizi bakagarundanira umutank bakagagabira abatura okombeka toilet ibiri okombeka enji yo mukumi no kombeka amato gente ziri kunyweraho omurici ruhura na mbarara byone mu mazuroho buhumbi 10 aha wa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webere Aidan Bataringaya amahegi hangari ya Rwanda gahereze kuko mu Uganda okwetabo mu mpanura z'ibyo kwerinda ez'umurundi ogwa munana impanurezi zatandikira izoba aha Hotel Triangle ho mu Rembo rwa Mbarara City kandi noro kumarebero bishatu byonka
Major General Paul Mwanguzi omudumizi w'enkambi ya kabira wa UPDF nwayebembira amahaga Uganda omumpanurezi kandi aga Rwanda gebembirwe Major General Ruki Karusisi omudumizi w'enkambi ya katano abwa mahe aga Rwanda.
Crime has no tribe, no religion and no friends. Fight criminality on all sides of the border.
Ombugambo bye arukwiguraho rikikoru Major General Paul Mwanguzi asimire nkwatanise hagati y'amahangaga cyagizire ngo kiyambere kuretaho businge omuri okumara hebizibu sa ebitwere n'ibiteganisa ensharo z'amahangaga gombi.
As Africans we have common enemies of exploitation of our resources, instability sponsored by enemies of Africa, exportation of unprocessed goods and importation of processed goods. We cannot afford to start fighting each other like grasshoppers.
As security leaders and commanders serving communities along our common border, we understand that peace and security do not stop at the boundary line. Challenges affecting one community can easily have an impact on the other.
Wombigambo bye Major General Karusisi ashabire ba komanda abariyone betaho muri kikoru okutense ebintu berayambe kugumya obutekana no mukago ahansharo z'amahanga gagombi bataka cyo muri kikoru amahaga gabanduze no kubyara emiti hamwe no kubugana bebembezi wabegombora ya Kamwezi mu district ya Rukiga akakabire kariya kamanyiso ko kumebyo buhangwa na no kugumya mukago.
We are planting trees not only for the environment but also as a symbol of the relationship we seek to continue nurturing between Rwanda and Uganda.
Major General Karsisi oyebembira amahaga Rwanda ashoborire ngo kuhinga emiti kabire kariya kamanyiso kahango kenkwatanisa hamwe na rukunda hagati y'amahangaga.
General Muhanguzi, take our message at the people at the border. We are enjoying peace where he initiated, took a bold step to say unity is very paramount for the
one people over the border.
Twena tuisha ahabwa obunywani abako twena hanga kajati mukundane koko razireki koko nabakunzire and we are human beings and we serve the same purpose hati emiteje imwarebe itwabyara Uganda nebane funaho fruits Rwanda funaho fruits gwaiza kubara guti twena ekicucu ntwantu jaki ntwantu chetaga
obusinje bubi no muri Rwanda no businje butwi no muri Uganda nabuga amamanzaga UPDF and RPF abantu bitu ni badyama abantu bitu ni bakora business
uwo mugambirizi w'enkambi ya kabiri wa UPDF Lieutenant Colonel Nicholas Kakuru agizire ngo empanurezi zigenderire kwajana ha bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebigenderire kuretaho businge na munonga nsharo z'amahangaga
ya kujenga inchi Uganda niyo bora ya kungenga
ekiturazo ekyatuma twajangu abantu batware ibintu bikire no jangu ebiraruga Rwanda bikire o abantu babuje babikozesa bitabaletera ubuzibu ebikurwa mu Uganda bikuza Rwanda abantu babikozesa bitabaletera ubuzibu njara turate embere kujangu omundaho tware ikintu Rwanda azo ikintu kikire omundaho kurete ikintu kuruga Rwanda kujyo mu Uganda abantu bakamwezo bakikozesa kitabatisaho ubuzibu
wa TV West Ndabdukarim Sengendo na Nelson Aindisiwe
Ekatomero tuinaganda makuru hotakarga TV West.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband Komora tukunywa kabozi multivitamin drink Chikitasyo munsi y'amagara marungi Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amana masyo mubashirira hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress Echo kunywa kabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited chamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe bipimo bya milliliters 120 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanyibira kukiraho 0702 15 0M
Mami!
Wanje sabo?
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Kagulini ziteka ko. Teka kagulini. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey! Hemutieni momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey! Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Hello.
Ese mwami mukasa.
Mutianeyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala abisenge bimeka.
Ngabisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Deda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti danji je tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti nefali ekitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling. Tukosa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kweta gawa bwe.
Wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Bagen Nursery and Primary School ishomero ryadena boarding ahabwa bojo nabishiki hato mu myaka 5 abeji bitu basinjire bigeza higuru munonga nitutungure talanta zabeji omusoka academy yitu aharimu ba coach abo mutindo manye no mupira tina bari kutwepimamo otebirwe music dance and drama nebindi Bagen emico n'edini byona nitubifaho evina no buraro byona nibyo mutindo kandi nibihango abana tibari kufundirarwa ibyo kwerinda birya higuru Shere nibibasukira bazire emitwaro 55 ahabwa boarding okwandika beji hati ni kugenda omisho Bagen Nursery and Primary School yantonde hometown esimu note mushanje note 3 kinana nemwe chenda neina note emwe.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m., Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m., Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m., and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m. Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, Channel 134 on GoTV.
TV West, Hamena Radio West, Kuganda Kumbucha, Frisco Supermarket, Baka Electronics, Agri Motors, Ankole Farmers, Sam's Receipts, JBL, Kumanyabu Kuchirahu, Terazura Mushanju Munanemu, Itanu Zero, Itanu Mwenda, Nkaga Nina.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
That's amazing.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away.
Wina kachi. Kagulini zitekako. Kagulini. I want everything, eh? Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Mutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business ser busy, konkati nyine stock.
omuringo nkogwe noferwa customer murungi na app ya Numida no basa kutunga roni ombwira tunga roni okugerera kimwe shiringi obukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya Numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira downloading app ya Numida okurga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu ema ina ema ishatu Numida fast simple built for business.
hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine byo bukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro quality pads affordable price pads zezi zikasimwa na awadiza bulenje bwizoba ya Afrika. Feathers Pads niziretwa umusize nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba umumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okoroba amani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukumi bwo mutano umbwire bwo mutano.
Mommy,
yes,
at school everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
Dabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shuwa
katinage bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains. It's a special goal. Coming to hour, coming to man.
This football is from the heavens.
What a story this is.
10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on SuperSport. It's on GoTV.
Kuruka yomkaho mu Muganda makuru koti yo muramuzi w'idara ryo kubanza mu district ya Mtoma heyonjire y'abantu batano aharimanda ahamshango ko kutekatekwaho kubabitire customer omuroji bakamwibaho sente nebindi bebembirwe mugara Alfred makama wa Rojezo nebara.
Omuramuzi w'idara ryo kubanza omu district ya Mitoma de Gracious Tendo ayonjire abantu batano harumanda yo kwezi kumwe obukuchondoza kurukugumizamu ahabo kutekatekwaho kwitira musinguzi Nicholas omuri Moonlight Band Lodges eyamugarra Alfred
nayanjura ko tuje mu file ya police bagisire amukuru w'ishango owambaraga region abo kuba babatije mu kwitongwita so bariyo file yenyine nayo teho imbaraga konkana shabishire kintu cyaza kushika ubundi nayo ne bayagarikire
therefore adjourn this matter 24th of September at 9 a.m. formation accused persons are further remanded until the 24th of September 2026 when the prosecutions are update the court on the status of the investigations.
Nyo kugamba mazima ruhangani warahoze omushango kandi government nimbashaba mugiro buringaniza omushango gumugurebe gutakako mu muhanda
aha kongeza yaba habire heshiro hengu yanje y'abanyakabera ababiri beshendekeriza beka yakitwa abakozire hakesharingo barokuzo wa RDC okumushabo buringaniza bwa nyuma yo kwigurwa kwe barrage hamwe na roji
shocked twena kushanga crime of scene or scene of crime kokuba kujeta ba police haka wiro na kwezo erione operating what if the same incident happens in the same place now? What will police say?
Konka rwobusasi kitwe eche kizimbe kikabire kikomera habo kuba tugomundi go kubanza weba
that is where we are based. Obomwana it was locked for 3 months.
Mtungire report ngo abantu bingi bagwiremo.
Musinguzi Nicolas nagamba kuba yisirwa mu kiro cy'ebirabera na bishatu byo kwezi kwa mushanju umutumbi ukashangwa gunagirwa mu kishaka ahabirabera na binabyo kwezi nuko kumwe yijazi kwebirabera na mushanju byo kwezi kwa mushanju mu 2026 kandi banyakutekwaho nibija kugaruka mu koti ya Mitoma ahabirabera na binabyo kwezi kwa mwenda umwaka gwa 2026 abakwasirwe barimo Musimenta Isaac Hirarambire Amutwire Fina Mukama Evaristo na Mugarura Alfred or Mukama wa Moonlight Band Rogers gasha kwa Ben Muhozi
Kwebare Ben Muhozi abaturo mgombori ibiriye yakahunje hamwe na Biso on district ya Burisa bariyo betombitira company erukubarura amabare eyibaru kugira ngo erugirire hemshatuka omajugabo
abatura barukwetombuitira company ya Gansham Services Limited erukubarura amabare mbarugombya rebero mecha kimibi hamwe na kansimo ebirukushanga umugombora ya Kihungia hamwe n'ecyaro cya Busingiro ekiriyo umugombora ya Biso omu district ya Burisa abantu bagira ngo kubarura amabare kuretira amajugabo gashatuka
abizo binkura bona moto kazionka hanu mire wana mwana okukwata ha muhanda niyo nkwenda mukoleki muturwanire mutwirukire bijono tukubaza hanu bakoleki bantu nibye batuyambe
ali banu bayindi nabangudo ba STC osanga ntuba nabuzi uwingi muno osanga ensi yona netengeta mesanga ruwale nanka bomu neterwa majunga atika bantu baba mu pressure nyingi muno eke kituyina
umurukiko rubagiraho no myishengero wabo aranatugonza abatura bagira ngo bamwe tubarahirwe nsumbushano yabo
distinguishing weather atmosphere accompanying of Muhindi Kwaro company abakwani batarebaneza ubwingo mukiro mpaka wene bukia nyondi muntu akuba nali akahunga kandi cyucyu ijya kwanigana mu buhunga mukumalira mukwanira akahunga nsakutunga ikizibu kikoto y'ibyo munda mununya nikindetera kezebu kitari cyo muzana
yona kirete kizibu hano kintu kya kwari abantu baito babona bwenye muno kuruga watandikire kubana kwari mu kwekati ya ikibu ka tekanu kwari kabanza kuletebwa kampuni y'abachina kwetebwa siko
umnyishengero aranatugonza yagira ngo abantu bamwe tubaro kubyama ahabwo musoguru kurwo mu kubarura amabare
natatandikire business ukunda amabare handi abantu bakuruga kugorobya nkani bajya amabare bamwe baruga mu musamo
Jagash Pater Nsubuga or manager wa company ya Gansham Services Limited ero kubarura amabare yahakanise biru kugambwa
one of my private cars with a megaphone. In our buffer zone, they announce everywhere before 1 hour that after 1 hour we are going to do. Then before like 20 minutes, again we announce we are about to do, please go away. And most of them they go away. We have not yet got any injury, no any accident. Even the house, I think these are the just neighbor here behind.
Omugandi bakansara ba district y'Isingiro bahegera okufayo kwinegeze nkorano njo mu district eji okwenda ngo buhereza bugumize mu kwikombyanga byono mu district yona okwigoku kwirwe chairman wa district y'Isingiro omurukiko rwa kansoro shitamira mbuga nkuru za district eji
and assure that those standards translate into better service delivery our communities njira ko bakakwata tinkuzagara kamwe kigambirana Mbabazi Murubasya mwebale sisi wa first meeting mukawe basikirwa wafaraga waya hai
umurukiko ruhabiriho kutorana bakuru b'ubukiko bwa kanso kandi ababaraganiso kwikiriza imyoga yabo no kutungura district
onda
okutura increasing local revenue kugiha revenue beroho tukagitungura kandi tukagaruka tukareba ngo omukushohoza esente ezo zashohozwa rofre ne transparent way
twabasa gukora entunguka omucweka kitu abo kuba works committee erimo department ya works roads erimo ya water arimo production amwe na natural resources formally tubiretwine na trade and industry onga trade and industry ate yazo mu committee ya education
bakansara bashabiro kureba ngo amarwaro enguto amashomero byatewe hamutindo murungi
kusima bakansara zerizoba twafana kanso kubanza kandi twazombururu na nyisimbe na mwana wanjogu kunkakaruru kukaraga muno koko kunkantu kwatanasanye na debusi so nka district ebindu kwenda ngo enkore nko Kagarama district cyo kubanza ni Ngisima inde binje byo tukorire tutakarebe bikoza kutukora kandi tukebwa kumanyangwa hari bindi ebyitkorire cyo kubanza itumbekera amashomero
eji ebirere kanso yo kubanzo mu nshuregi kandi handa abantu kwetorori hanga ryona bashabo kweta mu kuyonje byanga byabo okwayunguziwe nganzi hanga okurije kugumana kubaho rwa mukago rwa muhero mu kwezi
kibagambire mu rwa mukaga otaka kuzira ibindi banzo uyonze kitweka cyawe no uvunanza bwawe kureba ngo kitweka cyawe cyaguma kirebekaje iki kintu kintu mabata kuteganisa kurekana bane benangu ogire amakamarungi ogire kitweka kirungi aho kora habe harungi ihangara gumertebeke metse wa munonga president nashaba na bebembezi abebembezi no vunanza bwanyu okushobora abantu ikintu icyo burungi bwacyo kandi baganyo kukimanya kandi nabantu kwarayoreka sasa rwa mutahanta no vunanza wabebembezi kureba gasasa ryo kwabaza kuruga ahibagita ekazeshwe kuba neza kurengo cyo kagitu cyatsigara kandi kinakavuye abana bacono beno bayora gasosoro batumunguto ushangane gumamu kandi uburufono gweyongera mbona nisha bebembezi eji mobilization neye burungi wihangaritu kurengo cyo kagitu cyaguma kirije
gasha kwa Ambroise Nwaga bakatoto na Felix Nduhura
Makuru agibimzano abantu batoro basinjiza omukama watoro oyo nyimba kabambi guru wa kanorujiro magaragenzeji izoba lyanyumwe bazyo nko mukama okozire chango mu kutungura ebyo muzano mbukamo obu
okutuza ko mukama watoro oyo nyimba kabambi guru rukidu wa kana kwaretera kwempaka z'amasaza gatoro izatandikirweho mukama kwemerezebwa kubasa kuzombwire obwo kugaragara oburumwe migenzo yobukama erukhezebero mwenda Michael Wandero rukurebye mzano mbukama bwa toro yahamye ntebe kanseji
wile tuina isaza lya Fort Potro liribungisa elya Russia kandi turire takarangirire na team ezaba isikirundi ezaba kazi zo mpira gwo kubaka rundi netball abo kuba haina ebyabaireho amukushemerangana kandi akateba karukutekaniza na ministry babire tuli okurangira hanyuma ya guno mpira cyo mugisa mubi tikyasoboka hati tuli mu kugaragara kandi kugaragara kurukujya kumarebero mwenda
oguyagamba hamukama kuyatandikira kero muto okunde bw'emizano ecyarigirireho kutandika kushagika za timu zitari zimwe na zimwe nuko kwisha kumugemesereza okutandika hempaka z'amasaza ezirimo mpira gw'ebijere okuvuga egari no kubaka hamwe n'endijo mizano mingi
nyobo bunatandikire kuhereza omukama agutamba ha myaka ye yobuto akasobora kutusagika kuleta hano timu y'abato ya KKL League ekaba nebembera Trevor Dudley kandi tukaba tuyina hano timu y'abato ya AC Volcano ya under 14 under 16
omukama oyo nyimba nabwe yagambwaho nkobira ryo muhagize mukuru wa timu ya Arsenal ba champions ba ligi hanga erya Bungereza
abira ryomo rumanyirwo munsi yona ngo asagika timu nuko kwa bandi twena nabandi asagika timu ya Arsenal biragigonza muno
gasha kwa Jonan Singwire ahabwa TV West
webare Jonan Singwire empaka zemzano y'amashomero ga primary ya Uganda yona heru kwinjira muri mubende municipality rizoba zigurwaho mbutongore aha mukoro gwakorwa mwezi wa RDC wa mbende Abubakar Birunji aha mukoro gu habaho no kwinamira omukama wa toro okumarida chikemwe
zinene zikoraje munonga netball nekoraje volleyball is their first time here at national championship. Then the best of it is football. Turi mu group of death
mu group y'itsinda zitano. So far tuzande byantonde twajuwininga twazana budaka twajuwininga hati twazana jinja ne twajuwininga. So mu group yitu twasikaze team emwe tuzana nayo twarwo mu group tulidigire group
and identify the talents of these runners, because you never know each person in this world, each person among all these children are gifted differently. There are some of these who are going to be doctors, there are some who will be engineers, there are some who will be businessmen, and the majority of them may opt to join sports, and of which sports currently is a lucrative business.
I think when we were in the Yumbe, we were 155. So there has been an increase of 1 district. And I know the joy of the challenge is, we know, when that challenge is corrected, if the money is coming, we want to request our commissioner, if he can allow us, together with the chief guest, and join together, that we change our calendar. This kind of ball games where the children are so many should come to first start when the money is available and quite available.
Webereye kuba murebe muronje wa makuru Agacencwire nuko twabaza kugahendera tutyo wanaga kusiona abantu Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brian murare kuronje.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na.
Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Yejumbira Mbabazi ogwa Ebisident na Fresh Up dero oyonjera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache mnongo
tungaroni okugerera kimwe shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri nina zonka torukwetenga kuboyi no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho.
Ukumbereba ni kuchiwaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
musibireje basebo nabanyabo nabana abakundeba. Yes, nina bana binja tuno mchumuro no bandeba naza gamba mazina tinda baheze konka no mwemanya banywano banje. Yes, ninjeche echumuro cha December no gwenda beta ninyanda kuja gukora kombereba mbina bashagatiri nyina bana tikuza kweta habicho abantu bakuru babicho bakuru nkaba ningabojo bakuru niza kweta aba primary kantino aba primary niza kweta kurga bebe kwika nkomp3 muribe banywano banje abakunkunda genuinely baza niza gukora nabo kumbere babashagatira maybe